On deck, we have one. 130-pound quarterfinal match. Dan France of Spencer Court, Jeremy Truex of Cicero North Syracuse. You're on deck, we have one. France of Spencer Court, Truex of CNS. 130-pound quarterfinal. On deck, we have one.
All right, all right. There. him. Yay! Nice, honey. Way to go. Hey, that was quick.
Did you get it?
I got it.
That was good.
Good thing I got down there.
I like them like that.
Yeah, really.
Did you get to aim your camera?
Yeah.
I know, that's what I said. Did you get them in focus?
Good thing I knew what I was doing.
That'll be the quickest pin of it. Yeah, that will be.
You think so?
Oh, so far.
On deck man 225-pound semifinal match, Mike Shannon of Colony, Ryan Berthy of Carthage. You're on deck man 2. Shannon of Colony, champion in Section 5, the two-time Tennessee County champ, second in the Empire State Games. From Spencer Fort, Jeff Tyke.
You have your warm-up? Look for it. Up. That was a go on that, Matt. Use it, Matt. Look, don't let him back out, Matt. Get him back on. Get him back on. He's backing out now. He's backing out. No. Matt, you gotta keep him in the middle when you keep going. Right, yeah. Right, Jeff, slick him. Use the move, Jeff. Go with it, Nash. Tie up with them. Get in there. Get them under hooks. Don't let them back out when you got them. Go. Get them back in. Come on, where's Green? He's going. He's coming, Bubba. He's coming. He's coming. No chance. You do that in the middle. In the middle. Take a shot yet. It's a huge mat to leave. A lot of room on the mat. Trade him. All right. Be careful with this. Walk him over his head. All right. Who's that now? Let's go. 105 off-season matches. Yeah, that's what gets you. That's what gets you in shape. Oh, yeah. Mentally, you gotta. Wrap it up, Jeff. Wrap it up. Jeff, keep going. There it is. You got him. Step over. Hit him, Bull. Good time. Good time. Bring him out, Matt. Bring him out. Don't let him out. Bring him in. There you go. 5 seconds. Come on, Jeff. Slow.
Slow down in there.
Take him down. Hey, come on, Jeff. Come on. Come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. Riding good, Matt. Look for the tilt. Hey, Kiwi ride. Blow off the bottom, guys. Up again. Not yet, out. Keep your feet. Pick those hands. Down on the back. There it is. Good guy. Lift hard. Lift hard. Jeff, move. We're back for you. Over I didn't think it was 5 numbers. 5 numbers. Back, 5 numbers. Score's not right. Points, back points. 5. This is how you're nice sneezing, Matt. Matt, slow on the Kiwi. Slow on the Kiwi. Slow. Jeff. Let's go.
Come on, Jeffrey.
Come on, Jack.
Come on, Jeff.
Come on, Jeff. Get up.
Jeff.
Come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff.
Yes. All right. All right. Nice.
Drag him back, drag him.
Japanese. Don't
You're
let
too high. Ooh. All right.
Come on, Jack. Put your hips up. Your hips. Crank the head. Crank it. Crank it. Come on, Jack.
Come on, Jeffrey.
I know. Gee, imagine that. I'm gonna get killed for this.
Come on, Jack.
Down the pike here.
No, those other two little ones.
Come on, Jack.
I couldn't imagine those boys were
Come on, Jeff. The guy don't want to wrestle, Jeff. Short time, honey.
Oh, you gotta work on the bottom there.
Come on, Jack. Come on, Jeff.
Keep him in the middle. Keep backing out.
Come on, Jeff.
Come on, get your two, Jeff.
Come on, Jeff. Come on, he's backing up.
There you go. There you go.
Come on, center, Jeff. Back it out. Where's he going?
Come on, keep
He's going out.
Where's the warning?
Keep him in the middle.
Yeah.
All right, finally.
All right, Jeff. Finish
Come on, come on. Get him. All right, yes. 2.
11 seconds. 11 seconds.
All right, honey, hang in there.
Right up there, Jeff. Keep down, Jeff.
All right, Jeff, pick up the pace.
Watch it. Oh, you're
Attaboy.
Okay, you gotta move, Jeff.
all right, up and out of there.
Come on, Jeff, wrap it up.
Okay, there you go. All right, nice. All right, come on, Jeffrey.
Take him down, Jeff.
Watch it. Yes, yes! Nice, nice! Hold him.
Come on, there you go. Come on, you got it. Keep the arms tight.
Keep him in.
That away, Jeff.
All right, Jeffrey.
Come on.
All right, Jeff. All right.
Break it. All right, Jeff.
All right, come on. How much time?
Turn him
All
over.
right, careful.
Open out. Let's go.
Yeah, no.
A little hippie.
Too high.
12 seconds. Come on, Jeff. Good. Go. Don't get nothing. Come on.
Hold him. Don't let him go. Yes, you got him. Hold him. All right, nice.